Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing just a very quick unboxing and reveal of my new Celine purchase. I wasn't planning on buying this. I went to the store just to kind of look at different sizes. I've sort of been wanting one, but then I saw this particular color and I think you'll see why I had to just buy it on the spot. So this has it was raining this morning and so they were kind enough to put this plastic thing over it. And here's the Celine bag. It's a gorgeous white bag. Here is the Celine dust bag. It's actually a very nice, thick, canvasy material. All right, are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is the nano luggage in gold. So beautiful. I love, I was just looking online and I wanted to try one on, and I saw different colors online and I was just sort of debating it, but when I saw the gold in store, I just couldn't say no to this. So beautiful. It does have a strap. This is kind of a long strap and it's not adjustable. But I think it's really good for a crossbody. So yeah, I can probably do a review on it once I've used it a little bit more, but I'm just really excited about this gorgeous bag, and this color, and it's just absolutely stunning. It is showing pretty true, but also it's this weird mix of kind of like matte but also shiny. Like it's not too sparkly, which I really like about it. So let me do just a quick. So I'm 5'4", and it just hit me right at my hip crossbody. If I do this way, it's a little bit long, but it's not bad. It's definitely doable. And I think the sales lady did tell me that some women will tie this up loosely, like on the corner, and then have it a little bit more like good for just like a long length, like shoulder length, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't want to mess with the leather too much, and I think crossbody is just gonna be fine. I think this bag is going to like dress up any outfit, and I'm just really excited about it. So there it is, the Celine Nano luggage in gold. Thanks for watching.